All right, the last section, I want us to look at this how to visualize our plots in a Shiny app. I know some of us we are familiar with Shiny app so much, but now incorporating it with your meta analysis is very, very interesting. So I will just give us a simple example and build on it as you learn further. So we need to understand the concept of Shiny app, which I think is not a it's what you can learn online. There are so many tutorials for that. This not is to teach a Shiny app as a concept or as a course, right? So, but I just want to show how to run a metric plots in the Shiny app application. So we need library, Shiny app library, of course, and we need to also incorporate our Geomorph and the ggplot library. So now we want to the same thing we have been doing before, the same here. Because we can't run here line by line for now. So we are just run together. So when you click on run now to run together in the running app, since running app now change to running app now. I'm not more in the US UADMA class now, which I was before. You can see now I'm now in the different app now. So I'm under the app now. So it change to this automatically for me. When I run in an app like a browser. So now not browser for you, but the some app section app interface it runs. So we have performed the gen. Now we run the races now. We include the races now. We make it a factor here. So we perform a what do you call it now? PCA. This PCA now. So I can change to PCA. I can change to PC. So same thing. Just use that one as a variable. So we now want to define our UI for application now that draw something. This is just a sample program which I change. Okay, I start to change. So let's say to draw application that visualize PCA, right? So application title I want to call it a picture analysis. So sidebar input form number. So this one. So we just look at what you need to do by choosing group. So I want to put what they call it, choose a group now to do. I want to put race and sex. All right. The choices I have race. So I want to when it is race. Let's say because a PCA display. When it's selected display, if I choose race, let it show me race plot in race format. I choose let it show me sex format. All right. So it's what I want to do. So selected is race by default. So the submit button is here show. Show PC. I can only show PC. Show PCA. All right, so that's what I'm trying to do. So let's see now that our output into the our output that we have a plot. This is a main panel now. We have down with side. This is side panel now. This is side panel. Correct. Outside panel and the left side. This is at the right side. This is main panel at the right side now, where our plot will display. I want to call it PCA plot. The plot display and display table or another thing you want to display or another test, right? So the note TST for property. Another thing you want to display in Shiny app. So this is a simple test. Simple example for PCA plot. All right. So our server function now is given here. All right. It's not for histogram anymore. This is for PCA now. PCA. So we have a classification now input. So we have to observe. So we have if input now. I'm trying to introduce a condition statement here. If input is equals to race, then show me output render plot for me. PCA plot. All right. So PCA plot now. I want to bring my PCA plot display here. Code here. PCA the same thing we have done before. Don't forget. I just brought it here. That's what we did. Remember our SP race top right legend. This is the same thing. I just brought them here to see how to display it. I close it now. If input equal to sex, then I want to display sex plot. Okay, display for me sex plot. The same thing I repeat here, but I change to sex. All right. So now I close my Shiny app server. So if you run now, it should go to give you the interface of the Shiny app and how you can display the simple diagram. So let's run and see what we have. On the local server now, the local server running now. All right. So this is my interface now for the Shiny app interface displayed in my PCA. So by default, it's showing me a race, okay, and sex. So if I want to sex, I just click on here, show PCA. Should be display, you can see showing the PCA here for sex. All right. If I change this one back again to race, show PCA to display, you can go over it. So you can increase the size, you can make it bigger, you can do whatever you want to do. You can increase the plot component. I mean, plot legend and the point and the rest. So you can improve on it. Just show you example on how you can display what they call it now, morphometry plot in any app. So this is a simple example to build upon. So thank you so much for joining this class. I believe you have learned something in this particular class using R language to run morphometry analysis introductorily. So maybe in the next course, I will do something more impressive and more advanced. And so for now, thank you so much. You can comment and thumb up. I'm sorry for the noise background in the number 4. I think number four. Which course is that now? Measurement error. Doing measurement error. A lot of noise in the background there. I'm sorry for that. Please don't be offended. And please, you can just you can like, you can rate. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you next time. If you have any question, you can post it. I will answer your question. And if you need more maybe materials, learn more to improve, and let me know. I can introduce some materials that are important, or some project research I've worked upon, and you can improve on these areas. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you next time.